Everyone, my name's Toula and I'm from Style Identity. I've been working in my business now for 5 years, and prior to that I worked in retail where I got to help thousands of clients in the fitting rooms. In my business I've been helping both men and women transform their own personal wardrobes. Clothes have an incredible impact on our lives. Whether we like it or not, what we put on our body will impact the way that we feel. It's taken me so long to identify my own personal style. Even working in fashion for so many years, I never really understood, what my style was until I started working in my own business. Working with individuals on a one-on-one basis, understanding who they are as people, what they do every day is so important in order to build that wardrobe for them, the wardrobe that's going to get them the ideal job, help them to get out the door quicker, help them to boost their confidence and build, relationships with people. Clothes have the power to transform your mind. Even colours and the way that clothes sit on your body can impact the way that you feel. I really enjoy doing my business. I thrive on helping people to understand that they can be a better version of themselves, that they can feel and look good every day, no matter what they do. So I'm really looking forward to being at this workshop on the 25th of May, and I look forward to meeting you all there. Thank you.